All right, so worksheet 25 has to deal with writing the equation of a line given 2 points. Okay, so we're going to start by finding our slope by using our slope formula. So that's y minus y over x minus x, which is going to reduce to 2 over 1. So now you're going to use that slope and either point. I usually choose the one with the smaller numbers just for multiplication reasons. Okay, so it's going to be y minus negative 4 and x minus negative 3. All right, we're going to cross multiply from here. Okay, remember, I will write that out if you need it. All right, but if you want to distribute, it's just 1 times y, which is y, 1 times 4 is 4, and then 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 3 is 6. And our ultimate goal is to get y by itself, so I'm going to move my 4. So my answer should be y equals 2x plus 2. Okay, same thing over here. Number 2, we're going to start with our slope. So 7 minus negative 8 and 12 minus negative 6, which is going to give me 15 over 18. Okay, both of those are divisible by 3. So 3 goes into 15 5 times, 3 goes into 18 6 times. So our slope is 5/6. Okay, this time I'm going to choose the second one, smaller numbers. Okay, and let's cross multiply here. So 6 times y gives me 6y. 6 times 8 gives me 48. 5 times x gives me 5x. And 5 times 6 gives me 30. All right, move our 48. So 6y is going to equal 5x minus 18. And then your last step will be to divide everything by 6, and your final answer should be y equals 5 over 6x minus 3. All right, for problems 3 and 4, I'm just going to help you get your slope and set it up, and then you'll finish the cross multiplication part. Okay, so my slope here is going to be 2 minus negative 10 and negative 2 minus 2, which gives me negative 3 over 1. So I will use negative 3 over 1, and I'm going to use the first point. And then you can cross multiply from there. Same thing over here for number 4, negative 9 minus 1 and 6 minus negative 9. And that's going to reduce down to negative 2 over 3. So we'll use the negative 2 over 3. And I'll use the second point, so it'll be y minus 1 and x minus negative 9. And you will cross multiply from there. All right, number 7, let's set this one up. Okay, a burrito is 50 cents more than a drink. So our drinks are x, and our burrito is x plus 50 cents. You bought 4 burritos and 3 drinks, and it equaled $9.70. So 7x is going to equal 770, and when you divide by 7, x here is going to equal $1.10. Okay, so now x is representing your drink, and you add your 50 cents to that, which makes a burrito $1.60. All right, and the last one I'm going to do, before you can ever graph, you've got to make sure that y is all by itself, so I need to move my x first. And then divide by negative 2. So y is going to equal positive 1/2 x minus 3. So when I graph, I'm going to start at negative 3. Always start at your y-intercept, go up 1, and right 2. Please make more than 2 points on your graph. It just makes it easier to draw a straight line.